Hello everyone, myself Yassa from Computer Engineering Semester 1. Today I am going to talk about working of transistor. There are two types of transistor, NPN transistor and PNP transistor. Working principle of NPN transistor. It is one type of bipolar junction transistor. The working of NPN transistor is quite complex. In the above circuit connection, we observed that the supply voltage VB is applied to the base terminal through the load RB. The collector terminal connected to the voltage VCC through the load RL. Here both the loads RB and RL can limit the current flow through the terminals. Here the base terminal and collector terminal always contain positive voltage with respect to emitter terminal. If the base voltage is equal to the emitter voltage, then the transistor is in off state. In the base voltage increase over emitter voltage, then the transistor becomes more switched until it is in fully on state. In the certified positive voltage is applied to the base terminal, then electrons flow generated and the current flow from emitter to the collector. Here the base terminal acts as input and the collector emitter region acts as output. The equation for base current of bipolar NPN transistor is given by IB is equal to VB minus VBE upon RB, where IB base current, VB base bias voltage, VBE is input base emitter voltage 0.7 volt, RB base by applying Kirchhoff voltage law KVL. VCC is equal to IC RL plus VCE. From the above equation, the collector current is given as IC is equal to VCC minus VCE by the circuit connection of PNP transistor with supply voltage is given above. Here the terminal has negative base with respect to emitter and the emitter terminal has positive base voltage with respect to both base and collector of PNP transistor. The polarities and current direction received here component to NPN transistor. If the transistor is connected to all the voltage source as shown above, then the base current flows through the transistor. But here the base voltage needs to be more negative with respect to the emitter to operate transistor. Here the base emitter junction acts as a diode. The small amount of current in the base controls to the following of a large current through emitter to collector range. The base voltage is generally 0.7 volt for SI and 0.3 volt for Germanium device. Here the base terminal acts as input and the emitter collector range acts as input. The supply voltage is connected, VCC is connected to the emitter terminal and a load resistor is connected to the collector terminal. The load resistor is used to limit the maximum current flow through the device. One more resistor is connected to the base terminal, which is used to limit the maximum current flow through the base terminal, and also a negative voltage is applied to the base terminal. Here the collector current is always equal to the subtraction for base current from emitter current. The collector current IC is given by IC is equal to IE minus IB